Welcome back to the channel, guys. Super excited this thing is coming together and looking killer. So we're going to take a step back in today's video, and yes, I am going to bore you with some more CNC machined billet goodness. Now, this was a very wild design that we came up with, and I'm super excited to show you guys how this thing goes together. Let's take a look at all these bits and bobs and more or less give you guys a rundown on how this swing arm actually goes together. Now guys, keep in mind we have actually TIG welded and fabricated hundreds of big wheel swing arms over the last few years. So it was time to step our game up and come up with a new design. Now of course this was not easy for us. However, now we can manufacture these with our army of CNC machines. We can actually cut our lead times down as we were discussing in the last video. So as you guys can see, this is a bolt together design. We use a combination of heavy duty hardware. We also got some dowel pins on here, and of course the swing arm actually locks into a precision fit pocket. So as you guys can see, a lot of thought and design has been put into this over the last few months. So once everything is properly torqued down and of course Loctited together, this swing arm is not going anywhere. It's as if it was a one-piece design from the start. Well, we had the idea of a modular design, as you guys can see in all these clips right here. We're actually able to add some new features on here, such as the chain guard on the back. And of course the front of the swing arm have completely been updated. Those are now manufactured out of billet aluminum. All right guys, let's head up back to time-lapse mode. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bike back together, and then at the end of the video, we can take a close-up look of how this thing looks. Man, I have to say, I am completely in love with this bike all over again. Now, like I said, it was a big wheel in the past. However, it did not have this awesome billet swing arm on here. And for some reason, I'm kind of liking the look of the dirt bike front tire with the fat back tire. I don't know if you dune guys would actually just want this rear end setup just for hill climbing with a big ass paddle tire on there. Maybe like a 25, 10, 12 paddle tire would be pretty wild on this bike. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for the follow-up video. I'm going to get the front end on this bike. We're going to get this thing together and take it out for a test ride and torture test this swing arm and put it through the paces. If you guys want any info on this kit, head over to bvcbigwheels.com. We've got tons of info on our website. Sign up to our email list. All right, guys. See you in the next one.